We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Canon Pixma TS202 printer. Then we're going to do an unboxing and show you how to do the initial setup of the printer. So the first thing we've got to do is go ahead and open the box. Alright. Now that we have the box open, right on top we have the setup instructions. And then there's another box that has your power cord, your color ink, and your black ink. So leave all that out. I'll set that over there so we can have it for a minute. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the printer from the box. There we go. And take off the styrofoam packaging. Go ahead and remove the printer from its bag. So you also see it comes with an installation disc and some more instructions and warranty information. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove all the packaging tape that comes on the printer, just to keep it safe during shipping. So go ahead and remove this first piece here. And then right underneath this big Canon logo there's a little handle. You're going to want to pull down that handle. And you'll see this door open up. We'll remove this piece of tape. That's attached to the print head inside the printer. And then we'll go and turn the printer upside down and remove this last piece of tape across the bottom. And we'll go ahead and plug the printer in. The power plug is located right in the back of the printer. So once you have it plugged in, you go ahead and push the power button and let it start to turn on. While it's turning on, we'll go ahead and open the top. This is where you're going to put your paper. So we're going to go ahead and adjust our paper for the size paper we're going to be using, which is a standard 8.5 by 11. So we're going to set that on letter paper. I'm going to grab some paper here. I'm going to get that in here. Grabbed a little too much, guys. Alright, I'm going to grab some paper here and go put it in the printer. There we go. And now we're going to go ahead and pull down on that handle one more time, right underneath that Canon logo, and we're going to go ahead and install our ink. So we'll do the color first. So remove it from its packaging. Make sure you remove this little orange tab. And then you're just going to go in, you're going to slide the cartridge in and snap it in, or kind of click it into place. You just kind of push all the way in, you'll feel it kind of click in. It's a very simple process. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the black. Again, make sure you remove the little orange tab from the bottom of the cartridge. And you just slide it in so it kind of snaps or clicks into place. We'll set these off to the side now. And now we can go ahead and close that front door there. And then set up the tray for the output. And now all that's left is to connect the printer to your computer or to your Wi-Fi network, however you want to set the printer up. Once you're connected, then you're good to go and up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx and we try to help you out with those. Also, if you need any more supply, you run out of ink or you're getting low on ink, please feel free to reach out to Onyx and we'd love to supply those for you. Other than that, I hope you have a good day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.